Hello and welcome. I will just quickly cover how you set up the aggregated events measurement in the Facebook Business Manager. Of course, as you hopefully already know, we need to have verified the domain before we can do this. So check that has been done properly, otherwise you won't be able to proceed. So how do we do it? First step is to go to the business settings. So you might be starting from the business suite or somewhere else. You need to find your way to the business settings. If you start from the business suite, then you can click these three bars that will be in the button that says more tools, and then you can click that and get into the business settings, or you just type in business.facebook.com. When you're in the business settings, what you want to do is you want to go up here, click it, go to Events Manager, click it. Now you will see all the pixels that your business is covering. You should see your own pixel. In this case, I will use my own for my website just to show you how it's done. You click it. That will send you to that specific pixel page. Then you will see this called Aggregated Events Measurement. You click that. You click Configure Web Events. Once you're in here, you will once again see a list of these are all the domains that your business has verified. So maybe you have multiple websites or whatever it might be, you're connected to other business managers. Most people will just have one. So what you go do is you find the relevant domain that is connected to a pixel. In this case, keylon.dk, because that was the pixel that we selected. You click that. You will see that it probably says, I have already set this up. So in your case, it will probably say one event, and that should be purchase. But in either case, what you do is you click Manage Events, you click Edit. Then once you're in here, you can actually edit the events. So the first step is you can have multiple pixels. For that reason, you need to select the pixel. So we select, we want to use this pixel that is relevant to our business and to the website that we're looking at. Click it. Then we choose what event do we want. So let's say this is a web shop. We want to make sure that we have purchase number 1. Then second event should be, we select the same pixel all the way down. Second event would then be, let's see, initiate checkout. This one, initiate checkout. Third event, select the same pixel. Third event will be add to cart. Then we add more events. You won't have all of these three right away. You can add them up here. Click, select the pixel. It's here. Choose an event. Then the fourth one will be view content or content view. View content down here. And let's see if we have anything relevant. You can have custom events, then you can prioritize those as well. Let's just make one for as example purpose. Let's say we wanted to know who clicked our contract formula as well. Oh, sorry, contact formula as well. Then we would select that. And when we have selected all of these, we will see the button down here. I will move my face and we will click submit. Then it will load, blah, blah, blah. You check all of these. First one is purchase, second one is initiate checkout, third one is add to cart, fourth one is view content, and fifth one, just as an example, is contact. Then we click yes, this is correct, click apply, we'll let it load, and then Facebook confirms it has now been changed. You click OK, and from there on, you can simply go ahead and close the browser.